first Open Studio session was held on Thursday, December 1st to coincide with the completion of the first stage of the project. The high-level stages are discovery, co-design, prototyping, and implementation, and the project has an expected completion date in April 2017. This video is a replay of the December 1st Open Studio session. A design thinking approach is being used throughout the project. This means that all design decisions are made through a customer lens, in this case, students and research partners. The foundational principles of this human-centric approach helps to ensure that solutions are desired by customers, feasible to deliver, and economically viable for the organisation. The purpose of the discovery phase has been to establish a consolidated and comprehensive understanding about opportunities around the value proposition. Over a 6-week period, the team built an understanding of perceptions of value from student, research partner, and stakeholder perspectives. This insight builds on key initiatives and work completed such as the curriculum review, the MSE 2025 strategy, student personas, and customer journey mapping projects. As part of the discovery work, a review into industry trends and leading examples of value proposition design was completed. Macro trends such as the democratization of information, digital and social technology, integration with industry, and global reach are redefining how universities can deliver value. These trends are an additional perspective to consider as we begin exploring value proposition ideas and concepts. A framework we have developed is the tensions framework that lets us consider value propositions in a non-binary way. By presenting opportunities on a scale, we focus more on the relationship between them and can steer away from either-or decisions. For example, many stakeholders have commented on the inconsistencies in culture across MSE. The tensions framework opens up different options and conversations. When does it make sense for MSE to have an overarching culture? When does it make sense to be more nuanced and different? Tensions are not necessarily problems to be solved, they are more trade-offs to be managed, think and, not or. Opportunity spaces are a transition point between research findings and solutions. They help identify where we can generate the most value and impact for students and research partners and set a design direction for MSE value propositions. In the next phase of the project, we're going to use opportunity spaces to generate ideas and build concepts for the value proposition. So far, we have identified 26 opportunity spaces, representing the student, research partner, and stakeholder perspectives. As the project continues, opportunity spaces will be further refined and evolved. Opportunity spaces have been mapped to the 10 types of innovation framework as a way to categorize different types of value, reveal gaps, and surface high potential areas of opportunity. The framework is the result of 3 decades of research into answering the question, how can we get innovation to succeed instead of fail? It can be thought of as a periodic table for innovation, where value propositions are made up of different combinations and types of value. It is also possible to shape the value proposition by making deliberate choices in how the organisation is structured, such as building a team of world-leading academics and researchers. Southwest Airlines made a similar capability play by only flying one type of aircraft, the Boeing 737. This reduced service costs, streamlined operations, enabled fast airport turnarounds, allowing Southwest to provide low-cost fares, a cornerstone in their value proposition. Another key principle of the map is that the more value categories we combine, the stronger the value proposition will be. Viewing opportunity spaces in this way provides us with a foundation to start exploring value proposition ideas and concepts. With the first stage of the project complete, we are entering the second stage of co-design. This will be underway in the lead up to Christmas and is set to finish end of January 2017. The purpose of this stage is to co-design value proposition concepts with students and research partners and prioritise them ahead of prototyping in the next stage. We encourage you to reach out to the project team if you'd like to get involved.